y'all, so welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with another video today. If you are looking to relax in paradise and come to Jamaica and ball on a budget, you found the right video. Here's how to find affordable resorts in Jamaica. So the first thing you might be asking yourself is why? Why Jamaica? Why Jamaica? Why Jamaica? Why not Jamaica? Jamaica is a hot spot, has always been a hot spot. Everyone loves the vibrant culture, the beautiful beaches and everything. So I understand why you might be considering coming to Jamaica, because it's, you know, it's Jamaica questioning what should I do, what should I not do, because of the variety of resorts that they offer here in Jamaica. Jamaica is ran off of pretty much tourism, so you know the resorts is on a 10. You got affordable resorts, you got very expensive resorts. It's just a variety of resorts. And I know when it comes to picking and looking at reviews, someone may say, oh, this is ghetto, this has happened, I don't like this one, don't like this one. So right now you are probably like, what the hell should I do? I'm here to help you with that. The beauty of it is you can enjoy everything about Jamaica without having to spend a fortune. When you are doing your due diligence to find a nice resort, I would say first start off with what site are you going to use? Are you going to use third-party sites like Expedia, Priceline, all the others that run under that category, or are you going to go with the resort online website and go through their process? Once you narrow it down to if you want all-inclusive, if you just want a hotel, if you just want a resort and you don't mind going out to go find food on the road or do whatever, or go to restaurants, you have to just figure out where you want to go. Once you do all of that, you also have to think about like what location. So a lot of big spots are Montego Bay, Negril, and Ochos Rios. So it's up to you if you want to go to Ochi, if you want to go to Negril, or you want to go to Montego Bay. When you come into Montego Bay's airport, it is literally 7 minutes away from the hip strip. Not even 7, maybe like 5. If it's traffic, maybe 7. It's right there by the hip strip. If you're going to Negril and you're flying into Montego Bay, you have to get prepared for that hour and some change drive. And if you're going all the way to Ochos Rios, you gotta be prepared for like an hour and a half, almost 2 hours, depending on the traffic when you're coming in. And once you find out if you're going to do Expedia or the resort, you know, then let's get into the nitty-gritty. I would say when you are searching for your plans for going to Jamaica, you have to think about off seasons. If you're going like an off season, right now in March, this is not an off season because it's a spring break. It's a lot of stuff going on in the country. So you will not find really great prices unless you did it like 5 months ago. If you are looking for off season, you can always gauge that by looking online at the third-party websites. They change every day based off of how many people are viewing the site, how many clicks the site is getting, so you know how that goes. I also say when you are going through the resort's website, you can find good deals. They do offer like discounts and package deals depending on what time of the year you're going and what time you book your plans. Like if you book it ahead of time or if you book it like the day of, you know, it may look a little different. I want to come on here and discuss my experience with an affordable resort at Deja Resort so that you all can kind of get an understanding of how that price looks. Deja Resort, when you go online into the audience eye, when you're browsing, it looks very low scale to some people, because I've had people reach out and say that. Me personally, I didn't know either. When I looked at some of the pictures, when I looked at some of the reviews, people were like, oh, you gotta go to pay for the drinks at the bar. And I'm like, huh, what? If it's all inclusive, shouldn't everything be inclusive? Like the hell, you gotta go to the bar and pay? So it was a lot of different like mixed reviews when I looked on like Expedia and like different places like that, and also like on my Google search. It was crazy. But I would say the experience of the Deja Resort was like really top tier. It was an amazing experience. We decided to go last minute. It was like literally like a day before, and the prices was like at like $222 for 2 people. And when we got to Deja Resort, I think we booked it wrong. I don't know what happened. So we had to add one of us on the reservation because we didn't book it properly. So when we got there, they were trying to charge, I think, like maybe $300 versus online was like $228, which already shows you that because it was the day of, you would save more online than in person. So, you know, it worked out better that way. One thing that I really truly liked about Deja Resort was that it was super family oriented, like family friendly, kid friendly. It was nice, it was intimate, it was small. The smallness of it was a little bit like concerning because it felt like I was getting a little bored fast, I guess. But it was also like me just kind of like, I don't know, maybe just thinking about it too deep. But the intimacy of the resort was really nice, how intimate it was. It wasn't super big. The amenities that were offered was a pool. The pool area was nice. They had a jacuzzi up top, which was nice as well. The bar that was next to the pool, it stayed open until about 5. So I'm used to going to resorts that it stay open a little longer than that, especially when you're by the pool. You just want to be able to get a drink. So that was the only like downside, but that was like really small, like very small. Like I don't even have to really discuss that because it wasn't that big of a deal. But yeah, the amenities were nice. The snack area where you get your burgers and everything from, it was super good. The guy that was there that day was super nice. The staff is really friendly. Like I would say the young ladies that work in like at work around the resort, the men, everyone was just nice. The energy was there. It was like good energy, and it was not even packed. So imagine if it was packed, I feel like the energy would still be high. It was nice. Next thing, food at the resort was amazing. When I tell you it was so good, y'all, so bomb. We end up, the way it worked, we got there, we only did one night. So when we came in, it was like past 3, so we didn't get an opportunity to try lunch. So we had to go to dinner at 6:30. Dinner was pretty good. It was all right. It wasn't my favorite, but it was still good. Didn't get a chance to try the desserts that night. Oh, they looked so lovely, but I couldn't get a chance to try it. The next morning was breakfast. Breakfast was pretty good. It was some nice little options. The French toast was good. Pancakes was pretty good. The ackee and saltfish was good. We had rice. It was good. They end up having like mimosas, like where you can go and it's like the orange juice and the champagne and go back and forth and self-serve. That was nice. I love that. Also, the next thing that I really did enjoy the most about food was lunch. The day we checked out, we ended up getting an extended pass to like stay and eat lunch. Y'all, that freaking lunch was so damn good. That was the best lunch I ever had. They had like jerk pork. Oh my god, y'all, grilled pork. Also, I think it was grilled pork, not jerk. But yeah, they had grilled pork, they had mac and cheese, they had a fruit like the little fruits with rum cocktail. Y'all, it was the bomb. Like I'm telling you, it was super good. So when it came to food, that's what makes me feel like Deja Resort was just very high quality. The food, the snacks, even the desserts, the ice cream, everything on the dessert area, like the first floor had the desserts. That was so dang on good. Everything was good. That's why I feel like it was super high quality. The food tastes amazing. The drinks were fairly good. The bartenders were really good. I think overall the experience was just really, really, really good. And for a night, it was literally, if you would have probably done it in advance, just $200 for 2 people. Like 200 and some change. And that's not bad because with most resorts, you're spending more than that. Especially doing it the day before. You're looking at about, you know, 3, 4, 5, 6 and up a piece. So for one night. And the food was really darn good. It's on the hip strip, so it's next to everything. It was across the street from Doctor's Cave. So you get a day pass to go over to Doctor's Cave each day you stay. Like, what the hell? Y'all know Dr. K charge you. So that's probably what the people were saying when they say you have to buy your drinks at the bar. They were probably talking about at Doctor's Cave because it's a separate entity from the resort. But they have a partnership where the people that stay, you know, at the resort, they go over to Dr. Cave for free, which is cool. I enjoyed that. It was really nice to be able to leave the resort and go across to the beach. I think that makes up for like the small intimate feel because you get to go across the street to the nice beach, which is cool. If I were you and I wanted to come and ball on a budget, I would consider resorts like Deja Resorts, Sea Garden. I've stayed at that one before. I would stay at a couple, and I would say like the ones that are, I guess, considered lower scale or 3-star resorts. like I got the same quality that I got at other nice big resorts. Like the quality did not change. So I would say if you are considering coming to Jamaica, you want to ball on that budget and you want to experience a nice beach, nice vibes, good food, good drinks, just going on and go like the Deja Resort or something like Sea Garden that's affordable and it's nice, because 9 times out of 10 you won't be in the room anyway. So just go and enjoy yourself, and I hope that you have a good time. If you have any questions before coming to Jamaica about anything resort wise or anything else, reach out to your girl. I got you. I hope that this video is helpful. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you all have like any of your favorite resorts that you stayed at in Jamaica, comment them down below. Give some people some insight. Your girl is out. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I'm out. Peace. Bye.